Hi everyone. We found Nate and his team on Thermostat. We got so many offers, bidding offers for it, but we really liked Nate's offer. It was really competitive, and then Nate came to visit us. He gave us really good economical suggestions about how we should do the project. We really liked his honesty. We really liked his passion towards the work. When they came for this job, for this tech building project, they gave us good information. I really liked their attention to details. They took a lot of time to make sure that we got the perfect color for our composite deck, which was really hard to find. It was not a common company. So they took all the time to find all the required things. They gave us really good suggestions for our project to be completed in a little time. They made sure that all of our requirements are met. They also helped us a lot in a lot of other things that were not in the project initially that we asked for, like putting up one of our pole for the lamp. So Nate was really helpful. Nate was very friendly. Nate gave his personal attention to us. And yeah, we will highly recommend Nate and his crew for this project. I think they are one of the hidden gem in this industry, and yeah,
Thank you
I'm really
very much, Abhi.
glad about this project. Yeah.